Today we will read another story about Cass. Cass and her pals, Fran and Ken, go to class 6 after school. What will the kids in class 6 do today? What do you think they're going to do today? We will use new words and skills that we learn to read about what these characters do. First, you have to guess what word I'm thinking of. I am going to give you some clues, and you are going to guess the word that I'm thinking. So I'm thinking of a word that has 5 letters. One of the letters is I. The word rhymes with sink. What word am I thinking of? Think. That's right. You're absolutely right. So I'm just going to move Mr. Think right over here to the first box. Maybe if it wants to be nice to me. There you go. Good job, Think. All right, the next word I'm thinking of also has 5 letters. It ends with the letter H. This word rhymes with half. What word am I thinking of? That's right, it's laugh. Laugh. Okay, I'm thinking of a word that has 4 letters. It has 2 L's, and it rhymes with the word full. What word am I thinking of? Pool is exactly right. Pool. Now I'm thinking of another word that has 4 letters. 1 letter is silent. This word rhymes with floor. More. You're exactly right. Everybody should know more. All right. Now I'm thinking of a word that has 7 letters. It starts with a T, and it rhymes with creature. Teacher. Y'all are good at this. Have y'all played this before? Okay. Maybe I'm making it too easy. Well, now I'm thinking of a word that has 4 letters. It ends with 2 letters that stand for one sound. Ha. The word rhymes with strong. What's the word? Long. You guys are so smart. I can't trick you. All right, the next word I'm thinking of has only 3 letters. It ends with Y. This word rhymes with penny. The word is any. Correct. And of course, the last word I'm thinking of has 4 letters. One of them is silent, and it rhymes with fun. What's the word? Done. Exactly. Good job. You guys are pretty good about guessing what I'm thinking. Alrighty. So now we're going to play with the sounds and words. And you are going to have to guess the word for the sounds I tell you. So, if I say the word is o-a-k, you're going to tell me what word? Lock. Good. Now let's do it the other way around. If I say lock, then you tell me o-a-k. Lock. Okay? So this time I will tell you the word and you tell me the sounds. Ready? Flock. F-O-A-K. Flock. The next word is bill. Tell me the sounds. B. I. O. Bill. The next word is build. Tell me the sounds you hear in build. D. Build. Good job. Now we are actually going to try to break words into their sounds and then count the sounds. All right, so I will do the first one. If the word is picnic, first I can break the word into syllables. These big orange rectangles stand for syllables. They are the parts. Pick, nick. Okay, now the smaller tiles on the screen stand for the sounds in each syllable. So we hear p, k, n, k. How many sounds are in picnic? P, k, n, k. Picnic has 6 sounds. That's correct. The next word is baby. Baby. Let's move the syllable bars. Bay, B. Now let's find how many sounds are in baby. B, A, B, E. How many sounds are in baby? 4. That is correct. Now I'm going to try another word, and it is tiger. Tiger. Now let's count how many sounds are in tiger. T, I, G, How many sounds are in tiger? 4. Correct. Good job, boys and girls. Now remember that you know that you can make a new word by changing a sound in a word? The pictures on the screen match some of the words that we're going to change. Listen, the first word is back. If I change the B in back to bull, the new word is black. I see a paintbrush painting with black paint on the screen. So if there is a picture match for this word. All right, let's try another one. If I change, the word is rust. So if I change to cur, the new word is crust. That's right. And there is a pizza crust with an arrow pointing to it. All right. What if I change, the new word is guess. I change s to st. What's the new word? Guessed. You are correct. The next word is rip. And I'm going to change the to a dur. What's the new word? Drip. And there is a faucet with a drip. All right, let's try one more. The word is set. Change the t to a nt. Scent. Very good. All right, let's review what we learned about final consonant blends. Look at the first picture, ant. The letters N and T form a consonant blend at the end of the word ant. Remember that in a consonant blend, each letter stands for each own sound, but the sounds are said closely together. Ant, nt. Lamp, mp. Milk, ulk. Now you are ready to read crafts in class 6 and track in class 6. But first, we're going to do your favorite thing and write some words that have final consonant blends at the end. So pause the video, get your journal and a pencil, and get ready to write some words. I will say a word and a sentence that uses that word. Listen carefully and use your best handwriting to write the word I say. Ready? Number 1 is jump. Horses jump over the fence. J, m, p, jump. Number 2, the word is lamp. Turn on the lamp. O, a, m, p, lamp. Number 3, went. He went to the store. W, e, n, t, went. Number 4, fast. She ran fast and won the race. Fast, fast. Number 5 is must. Cars must stop at a red light. Must, must. Number 6, ant. An ant is an insect. Ant, ant. Number 7, trap. The bear got caught in a trap. Trap. Number 8 is drum. She beat the drum. Drum. Number 9, trip. We took a trip to the city. Trip. And number 10 is grin. Her grin shows she's happy. Grin. When you are finished, you're going to take a picture and turn it into your teacher. Have a good day, first grade.